Welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to stop Instagram from accessing your photos quickly and safely. Whether you're tightening your privacy or just want more control over your personal media, these simple steps will help you prevent Instagram from viewing your photos and videos. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open your settings. This is where every app's permissions can be managed. You're going to tell your device what Instagram can and cannot see. Next, scroll down until you find Apps or App Management, depending on your phone model. This is the section that lists every application installed on your device. Once you're there, look for Instagram. It might be somewhere in the middle or lower part of the list if you have many apps. Tap on Instagram to open its details page. This area controls all settings related to the app, everything from storage use to notifications and permissions. For now, you'll want to locate the tab or option that says Permissions. Now, tap Permissions. This is the heart of your app's privacy control. You'll see a list of all the different things Instagram might access, like your camera, contacts, microphone, and of course your photos and videos. Find photos and videos in that list and tap it. You'll usually see a few different permission choices, such as Allow all the time, Allow only while using the app, or Don't allow. To completely prevent Instagram from using or viewing your saved media, choose Don't allow. That's it. Once you've selected this option, Instagram will no longer have access to any of your photos or videos stored on your device. The app will still function normally for browsing, messaging, and posting through its camera feature. But anything already in your gallery stays private and secure. Remember, you can always change these settings later by returning to the same place in your phone's settings menu. This gives you total flexibility to adjust your privacy preferences whenever needed. Take control of your data, stay secure, and keep your personal moments truly personal. Thanks for watching.